Next on our list of brightness controls is the DxO Smart Lighting panel, which is right over here. And I'm going to go ahead and activate the panel by clicking on the little blue square area there on the left of the heading. And you'll see uniform and spot weighted, pretty self-explanatory. We have several modes. You can go custom or strong, medium, or slight. And by custom, you can just simply adjust this intensity slider to get the effect that you're looking for. And this actually is a pretty good adjustment function considering what it does. Now in this particular image, it's not doing much because we have a very evenly illuminated scene here, so there's not going to be a whole lot of change. If we take the intensity, let's do this part right here, slight intensity, and then medium intensity, which is nothing more than advancing this slider, which anybody can do themselves. And then of course there's strong, and as I said before, custom. Now spot weighted works like this. You see this little tool right here. You take this tool and click on it and activate it. And let's take this dark area right here and establish the sample area right there, and you can see how it affects the result. If you take the tool off, and it stays right where it is. We go to custom and bring it down to 0 and then adjust to taste. You can do that as well. Now this particular image is probably not the best to look at. Now what I'm gonna do is click on this image, and these are taken in the Dolomites of northern Italy. If you've never been to the Dolomites, my goodness, you need to put that on your bucket list because it is not to be believed. Now this was taken near a refugio called Lagazoy, and again, it needs to go on your bucket list. The view from here is just not to be believed. So let's go ahead and click on the DxO Smart Lighting, and we see that that's a pretty good result. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that at all. Now, if we take this a bit further, and you can see that it's doing a pretty good job. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that at all. Let's go back to slight, and then we're going to try the spot weighted. I'm going to go ahead and click on the tool, and I've previously put it in this spot right here. And you can see the result that we had immediately. And if we take the slight and we go medium, it's sampling off the luminosity that exists in this tiny little dark area right here and making its adjustment over the entire image, which you may or may not want. So I'm going to put this back down to custom. I'm going to turn this off, go back to uniform, and then we get the adjustment that we had previously. So DxO Smart Lighting, that's a really very good tool. Now keep in mind, anytime, now this is a 100 ISO image, but anytime you brighten the dark area of the image, you're introducing noise. And just to make you aware that you have to keep in mind that you've always got to keep an eye on noise levels whenever you're going to brighten an area that is dark. But there's the Smart Lighting panel in DxO PhotoLab.